Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to 20th. This is a GFS and we're looking at this pattern for the period for the 16th to the 20th, and this is how the pattern's forecast look like. We still have a trough here over the Northeast Pacific, down along the across the Eastern Pacific into the west, and we have another trough off the East Coast. We have a large area of positive height anomalies across Canada into the U.S. This is basically what it's supposed to forecast to look like during this period. Then we're going to go to the 20th, to the end of the period. There's not much change, and then we look at the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles, all forecasting the same thing. This pattern will be changing this period, resulting in heavy precipitation in the northwest and a return to cold in the east. Heavy precipitation is also forecast for the lower Mississippi Valley. I'm going to look now at the period for December 19th to the 23rd. This is the 19th. This is the 19th. We still have a trough here, a trough off the East Coast further to the east, and we have an area of positive strong height anomalies across this region. And we're going to go to the 23rd now. And the GFS has a trough here in the southwest and a large area of positive height anomalies here. And we have our trough here over the Northeast Pacific across Alaska in the Gulf of Alaska. We're going to look at the European. And you can see that it's forecasting below normal heights, although a flat flow with weak below normal heights across portions of the southeast and mid-Atlantic. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation. Forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. Now we're going to look at the period for December 24th to 28th, and this is going to be interesting. This is around Christmas time, and we're going to look at the pattern for this. Okay, here's the 24th. The GFS still has a large area of positive height anomalies here. We still have our trough here. We still have our trough in the southwest. But look at what its ensembles forecast. This is the GFS, and this is its ensembles. They're different. And like the other models here, now this is the European, and it has below normal heights across the east, especially down here across the south central states, above normal heights across Canada and the East Pacific into the west coast. And the Canadian ensembles has a weaker flow, a flatter flow with weaker height anomalies here centered across this region. This is the pattern change that was talked about that was going to happen near or around Christmas time, and it looks like it's going to be carrying here. The other models may be waiting to catch up. They haven't, they're not showing much of this. This is the 27th. This is the GFS. This is its ensembles. The ensembles have above normal heights across a large portion of the U.S. and a trough in the southwest. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation for Washington and Oregon, and below normal precipitation here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to the 20th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on these World of Weather, and have a good day.